Hey guys, my name is Rahel and I am your trainer of Blender for beginners. And in this video, we are going to learn modifiers. Let's begin. Just click on the general and you can see here modifier icon. Click on this and you can add any modifier. For example, I'm going in edit mode. Select box selection, click here and move it down and press I on the keyboard and now up it, no, down it like, and extrude it up and scale it like this and go to object mode. And let's talk about now modifiers. Up it and click on add modifier and select this array modifier. Now you can see with the array modifier we can duplicate the mesh, and what we change in this mesh it's change in another mesh also. For example, scaling it like this. Now you can see in that cube also, means that mesh also changes is happening, and you can increase the number of array modifier. So 6 and add one another array modifier and in the y direction and 0 here, and now you can see it's looking like an chocobar. And mm, we can increase it and click on merge. um, why it's not merged? Not for the looking like an chocolate bar. mm, Move it here and let's talk about another. For add here one cube and scale it up like this. I'm making this for an example, so I'm not making any mesh now. This chocolate is accidentally made, so add one here boolean modifier and add one for example a UV sphere. No, okay, it's this UV sphere and big it means scale it. Wait, and select this and click on this object, what we say, and select this. And when you move it, wait here and height sphere, and now you can see one amazing cut is happening in this cube. And isolate this. Go in edit mode, shift D, shift D. I want to move it here. With this you can make like an cheese object, and go in object mode and hide this. And you don't want to hide when you uh, unisolate this. Go in the object properties. Wait. Huh. Select this and texture to bounce. Now you can see it's all are hide, and it's not showing here isolation. You can see. And let's make a like a Game Boy model. Delete it and add one here cube. Scale it like this. Okay, and uh, add here an cube, another cube, and up it. Wait, it's panel, not an cube. Add one cube, move it here and scale it. I'm making a screen like an object. Go down and up it. Scale it to look like an screen. Scale it up. Go in edit. Wait, not skull. Go in edit mode. Shift D and scale it. And go here and paste it like this. In select this and extrude. This is a charging point, I think. Smart Game Boy model. Go in object mode and click here and go to modifier properties. Select this and add one boolean modifier. Click this pencil and add this cubes. And when you isolate these cubes, now you can see it's looking like screen, and here charger point. Unisolate this. Wait, unisolate this. Go to a object properties and texture to bounce. Wait, not this object. Texture and go on modifiers. Select this and now go to object mode. Click on the bounce. Now you can see it's isolated, and I can unisolate this. Okay, so let's make buttons. Add one cylinder. I think it's looking like an keypad phone, so let's call it a keypad phone. Up it and shift D. Shift D. Select these three and shift D. 3, 1, 7. Wait. And select this one and shift D. And I think scale it here like this. And that for the today, guys. We meet in the next one. So bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Keep learning. Bye bye.